In this video, we are going to take a look at an enhancement made to the Stock Compare feature, which is available now in the latest version of CIMCO Edit 2023. Stock Compare allows you to simply compare the simulated stock to the design model to check for any inaccuracies. Previously, you could set the compare range and subsequently the stock is then coloured based on the distance to the design model. Continuing from this, we have now introduced the ability to be able to view the exact distance between the part model and stock, giving you even further precise data by simply hovering the cursor over the section you wish to check. For further information, please contact your local reseller today or visit our website cimco.com.